we need to divide 3x squared minus 2x minus 15 by x minus 4. X minus 4 is the divisor. It goes right here. And 3x squared minus 2x minus 15 is the dividend. It goes underneath the division sign. To get the quotient, we need to divide 3x squared by x, which will give us 3x. So x goes into 3x squared 3x times. 3x times x, 3x squared. And we change the sign, negative 3x squared. 3x times negative 4, negative 12x, we change the sign, 12x. We change the sign so that we get a 0 for the first term, and gradually reduce the value of the division. So now 12x minus 2x is 10x. We're going to bring down negative 15. We're going to divide 10x by x, which will give us 10, in order to find the quotient. So plus 10 is the quotient, because 10 times x is 10x. We'll change the sign. See, that way we'll get a 0 for the first term. 10 times negative 4, negative 40. We'll change the sign, 40. And now when we do the subtraction, we're going to get 25. Notice that 25 is degree 0 and x is degree 1, so we're done. The remainder is smaller than the divisor. So our answer is 3x plus 10, and the remainder is 25. A is our correct answer. Now for synthetic division, which is the second method, look at the divisor. X equal to 4 cause the divisor to be a 0. When we divide synthetically, we need to change the sign of the constant of the linear divisor. Now we just need to take the coefficient 3, negative 2, and then negative 15. We're just going to use the coefficients. Here we go. Now, first step, we're going to bring down 3. We'll bring down 3. Second step, we're going to multiply 3 by 4, which will give us 12. And we'll write 12 underneath negative 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Now we're going to take 10 and we're going to multiply it by 4, which will give us 40. And we'll write 40 underneath negative 15. Add them up and we get 25. Now remember, we divided 3x squared by x, which means the first term of the division will be 1 degree less than the leading coefficient. So we'll have 3x, the second term 10, x to the 0, which is just 10, and the third term will be the remainder. So our answer is 3x plus 10, remainder 25.